Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your time spent on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here as you see you will find screen time. Click on it. Here as you see you will find here your time spent, and that's how to find time spent on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.